decision, I will follow whatever his decision is. So if he wants to be cremated, that's what also one of the discussion we had. If he wants to be cremated, then so be it.
What, ma'am, was the former president really happy to see the granddaughter Bella?
Yes, yes. And he asked, whose child is that? Sabi ko, kay Baste. Baste. And I asked him, what would be your message to the people outside? If it is his destiny to be here, then so be it. He has no apologies, no regrets, and that's it. He's accepting it already, and that's why we talk about the cremation.
Okay.
So I said, okay, that is your decision. I follow his decision.
Yeah,
But if it's,
respeto na lang sa iyang gusto.
it's the children's decision, I cannot say. But,
May question kayo guys?
Question ko lang, ma'am, kay Mayor Baste ngayon. How is he po as a acting mayor in Davao po?
for Patsy, I think he's making good, and he's also very strict, especially with the garbage and everything. You know,
And who is the vice mayor po ngayon?
Rigo.
Si vice mayor.
Yes, it's Rigo.
So that's really good.
Vice Mayor.
Ma'am, I don't know if na pag-usapan nyo sa loob, I think most likely hindi no kasi the prosecutors kasi ma'am, I'm not gonna ask you na lang ma'am. No problem about that. Ikaw ma'am, yeah, I'm sorry about that. Ma'am, do you have a message to the Filipino people, ma'am?
Yeah, I think with what is happening in the Philippines, and I think you have also read the news.
Yeah.
I hope the Filipino would do something about it.
Yeah.
It is you. It is you, the massa. It is you, the citizen, who can do something. It's not us. It's not us. You. That's why I'm so happy that you are here. Talagang, we are grateful. We are grateful for you.
Thank you, ma'am. May question ba kayo guys?
Question ko ma'am about din sa'yo, ma'am. You've been here for like a kind of long time.
Yeah.
How are you, ma'am, here in the Netherlands, ma'am?
I want to go home.
Oh, okay.
You miss
How
it.
about the foods, ma'am? Dutch food, did you ever try it?
Okay. I'm okay with the food. I'm okay.
That's good.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. I think yun lang yung... Meron pa bang question, guys? Nobody?
Ayaw lang mo kaulaw ha.
Yung ano ma'am, nabanggit na nyo ba kay Tatay yung ano, yung event ngayong 19 sa ano?
Napag-usapan nyo ba, ma'am?
Nabanggit ko na you will have your rally July 19. I think that there will be also in the Philippines.
Yes,
But
ma'am. Yes, correct.
Yeah, nabanggit ko talaga sa kanya. And he is happy. Pero sabi niya, huwag mo. Yun ang sabi
Ma'am,
niya.
we will never stop po talaga, ma'am.
Sabi ko, they won't stop. Sabi ko sa kanya.
Thank you.
Pero I think he has that acceptance already because he's talking about the issue. Then sabi niya, oh, now you have a witness. Sabi niya kasi interview. Now, whatever I wanted, you tell my children. Okay, sige. Okay na nga ako ng okay.
Thank you, Ma'am Elizabeth.
Ma'am, at saka one last question na lang, ma'am. I just want to say thank you din kasi last time, Bibi Sara was really telling about kung makalabas si Tatay Digong, he's welcome in your house.
Yes.
Yun
yes.
yung ano sabi.
Yes, I told already my children about that beforehand. Sabi ko, beforehand, I have been saying to them that if ever, that is also his choice. It's not my choice. Kung gusto niya doon sa bahay ko, okay lang.
Oh, that's really nice of you.
Yeah, no strings attached, no nothing.
So,
Thank you, Ma'am Elizabeth.
Practical na lang.
Ma'am, sorry for asking the political question. Hindi na mauulit, ma'am. Thank you po.
thank you, ma'am.
Salamat.
Thank you also.
Thank you, ma'am, ha? Thank you kay ma'am, ha?